then here's your lever right here. And then you adjust the bracket here. Make sure this isn't moving at all. Mine is perfect. It's at 3.545 volts. And then you tighten this one down, and you tighten this one down, and you're all set. That's all you got to do. And then all it is just buttoning and back up the downpipe to the turbo, putting this bracket back up like so, up into that point up there, right there. Fits right there, and you just put the bolt back in, and you put your shield over this guy right here, and it's the 2 bolts, this one and this one, and that holds that shield on so you don't get grease up in your engine. And then you come back and you put your hanger bolts back in, one right here for your downpipe. Here's my downpipe. It's got exhaust cutout and everything. Yes, I had to go through some mud the other day, so it's pretty dirty. But yeah, you don't need to take your entire downpipe off. You just need to make sure you take the downpipe from the turbo off so that you can feel the flap in there, that it's not loose. If it's loose, you're not gonna boost. It's basically gonna be stuck open, which is gonna cause a low boost scenario. If it's too tight, it's not gonna have very much play, and you're gonna probably be boosting too much according to whatever tune you have, which could potentially damage your turbo and your engine. So you don't want to do that. You want to set it right, guys. And so that's how you do it. That's how you do the wastegate. Sorry if this is kind of all over the place with these videos, but pretty simple if you have the tools. This took us an hour and a half this second time around, knowing what to do and having the right tools. So not too bad, guys. All right.